this is an important example that we are required to show that a sequence is in an AP. Okay, now we all know now that the property of an arithmetic progression is such that the consecutive terms differ by each other by a fixed constant. So to show that a sequence is an AP, we have to show that the difference between two generic terms, un plus 1 and un, is equals to a constant. Okay, let me explain how we are going to do so. So over here, we are given that un is 3 plus 5n. So this is the nth term. So we work out what is the un plus 1 term. Okay, un plus 1 term is obtained by substituting n as n plus 1. And we'll end up with 8 plus 5n. So we have the un plus 1 term and the un term. Now this crucial step here, we take the difference between un plus 1 and un. Now when we are applying this formula, we have to take note, just now I forgot to mention, n is greater than or equals to 1. Okay, because u0 doesn't make sense. So, and it is also given to us that n is a positive integer. Okay, so back to here, we take the difference between un plus 1 and un, show the subtraction, and it is equals to a constant. Okay, since it is equals to a constant, it means that any difference, the difference of any two terms in this sequence is always equals to 5. And this 5 is the common difference. Okay, so this value of the constant is the common difference. And hence, the series is an AP. Now, a lot of students have the tendency to just show two fixed terms, the difference of two fixed terms. So what many of you would do, this is the wrong solution, okay, the wrong solution. What many of you will do is you go and find what is u2, which is 3 plus 5 times 2, and this will give me 13. You will find what is u1, this is 3 plus 5 times 1, which is equals to 8. Then you will say that u2 minus u1 is equals to 13 minus 8 is equals to 5. It is equals to a constant. Now this answer is wrong. Okay, why? Because we are only showing that the difference between u2 and u1 is a constant. This doesn't apply for the other terms in the sequence. So when we are showing that a sequence is an AP, we need to show the difference of two generic terms is a constant and not two specific terms.